Did you know that in 2026, Google is competing directly with ChatGPT using its own powerful AI called Gemini? While many people still think Google is only for searching websites, the truth is Google Gemini can help you study faster, write content, analyze data, generate ideas, and even assist in business decisions. In this complete beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to use Google Gemini AI step by step, even if you have never used any AI tool before. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Gemini for studying, content creation, productivity, and smart work in 2026. So make sure you watch till the end, because the advanced tips can completely change the way you use Google tools. Let's get started. First, let's understand what Google Gemini actually is. Google Gemini is an artificial intelligence model developed by Google. It is designed to understand text, images, documents, and data. Unlike old Google search, Gemini does not just show links. It understands your question and gives direct, intelligent answers. You can think of Gemini as Google's smart brain that can read, write, analyze, and explain things like a human assistant. Gemini is deeply connected with Google services like Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and Drive. You can use Google Gemini in different ways. You can access it through the Gemini website, inside Google Workspace tools, and on mobile devices. Some features may depend on your region, but basic Gemini usage is free and available to everyone. This makes Gemini one of the most accessible AI tools in the world. When you open Gemini, you will see a simple chat-based interface. There is a text box where you type your prompt. This is where you tell Gemini what you want. You can ask questions, give tasks, upload documents, and even ask Gemini to explain images. No coding required. No technical background needed. Let's start with simple examples. You can type, explain artificial intelligence in simple words. You can say, write a professional email for a job application. You can ask Gemini to summarize a long article, explain a difficult topic, create a daily schedule. Always remember one rule: clear prompt equals better result. Instead of saying, write about business, say, write a 200-word beginner-friendly explanation of online business for students. Students can use Gemini as a personal tutor. You can ask it to explain math problems step by step, summarize chapters, create revision notes, generate practice questions. You can even paste your notes and ask Gemini to simplify them. This helps you understand concepts instead of memorizing blindly. But remember, use AI to learn, not to cheat. Content creators can use Gemini for YouTube video ideas, script writing, blog outlines, Instagram captions, SEO-friendly titles. You can even ask Gemini to rewrite content in different tones, like professional, casual, or storytelling. For faceless YouTube channels, Gemini is extremely powerful. Freelancers can use Gemini to write proposals, respond to clients, create marketing content, generate reports. Working professionals can use it for presentations, planning tasks, summarizing documents. Instead of starting from zero, Gemini gives you a strong first draft. Now let's talk about advanced usage. You can tell Gemini to act like an expert. For example, act as a digital marketing expert and create a 30-day content plan. You can ask it to analyze data, improve existing content, compare ideas. The more detailed your instruction, the smarter Gemini becomes. Google Gemini can help you earn online. You can offer content writing services. You can manage social media pages. You can assist businesses with research and planning. In 2026, people who work faster and smarter earn more, and Gemini helps you do exactly that. Gemini is powerful but not perfect. Always verify important information. Use your own judgment. Combine AI with human thinking. AI is a tool, not magic. Now imagine having Google-level intelligence helping you every single day. That is the power of Google Gemini AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Everyday AI Tools for more AI guides. Comment below if you want a full Gemini prompt tutorial or automation guide. And remember, AI does not replace humans. Humans who use AI replace those who don't. Start using Google Gemini today and work smarter in 2026.